This time we're actually gonna kind of follow the recipe. 2 years later.
Rouladen.
Yes.
Gotten better at German. It's a round roast, but we want it a little thinner.
It's not thin enough. You see, it's not thin enough. So.
Oh, Lisa's going to demonstrate nice meat pounding technique. Take note here, folks. This is our tree. She's got rhythm. Now I've got to thinly slice some pickle.
No!
Just like that. Ta-da! Okay, this is the beef before, and this is the pile of them after. So they are bigger, they are thinner, but it's not a huge difference. Okay, we got salt and pepper on here. Put a little Dijon.
And give as much love into this dish as you can, because it's Christmas, you know? Like, so much love.
Doesn't that look appealing?
Align them horizontally. Yeah, we're experienced now.
I'm whittling toothpicks. Each one of these things only has one pointy end, and we need like 2 inches of it, and then there's like 10 inches of dull ends.
He wants to do that, so he's good. He's in his element. They're just gigantic. Big boys. Now have your husband cut everything else very finely diced. It's ready for some meat. Never mind. Just do 3 at once. Already 7 o'clock.
Toast.
Toast. It's all sweet.
It's a little sweet. Still not terrible though.
Now we're setting them aside and adding this bunch. And finally, we can add some vino.
Half flasche.
Half flasche.
Very good.
That's probably
A little
it.
more than half maybe?
Oh, whatever. Yeah, why not? The rest is for me. Bay leaves and some cloves. Half of that thing.
This is a liter?
Yes. Did we cook enough of the alcohol out?
Yeah.
Just add a little more broth.
Okay.
And just add it. Jesus. Let's just add everything. Why not?
It's gonna be hard to thicken, that's not a problem.
Oh, we're just gonna take flour and stuff. Yeah, now it's about half empty. Secret ingredient. A little bit of pickle juice. And now we're just gonna let it cook for how long?
An hour and a half? Is that what you said?
Oh no, we're gonna put it in the oven. How long are we gonna cook it on here?
I think we're done.
Okay, let's get this puppy in the thing.
Whoa. Got a little butter melting in the pan. Chopping up the cabbage. Lisa's chopping up some apples. Rotkraut.
We did this totally wrong. You're supposed to sear the onion and the apple with the sugar, and then add the cabbage and the vinegar.
This is the cabbage. With some red onion, some apple, some apple cider vinegar, some water, sugar, salt.
And wine.
I'm gonna put a little wine in it.
It smells So good. It's not late now. It's just gonna be boring potatoes. This sauce stuff, we're gonna like bind it with some cornstarch. Now we take the lovely rouladen out, more or less, so we just throw them out of there. So the recipe calls to strain this whole broth to make it a non-chunky broth. We don't care. We like it chunky, so we're just gonna leave that and save some dishes. Now Kevin is gonna add the slurry made of a little bit of that broth sauce and a lot of cornstarch.
Maybe like 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in here?
I don't know. You just
don't
do
know.
however you feel like is good. And now we wait. Oh my god. Oh, I see a clove.
Get it! It's thicker.
Not thick enough.
I don't think it's quite to a sauce consistency yet.
It is perfect. Added a little bit too much cinnamon in it just because I was feeling funky. Maybe it's great. Finally, it is 9:14. We didn't do anything else to it other than putting some cinnamon on it, which is kind of crazy. Didn't have to add no salt, no sugar, no nothing. It was just good as is. I just love this meal. Unfortunately, it takes forever, so I cannot make it all.
See, this is how it worked out.
Yeah.
Also kann ich die Hunde wegbringen.